So on this 1993 Jeep Cherokee, we need a blower motor. Now that blower motor is buried behind this thing right here. Actually, you can't see it. We're gonna get rid of this, and of course, this guy fills it, unlike most people. So we'll have to see where it drains at and everything. But all right, I don't know what I'm doing, and neither do you, because that's why you're watching this video. So let's figure it out together. So this right here is 10 millimeter, and here's another, and then right down here where you can't see. All right. See, one bolt there. And there's one more. Right there. Okay. Now I'm just gonna get rid of that. Conveniently, they put the wiring harness right on top of it, as if they couldn't figure out another place to put it. All right, I'm just gonna set that off to the side so we can get down to this bad boy. And there's your blower motor. Here's the wiring connector for it. All right, it's coming down here. They look smaller than 10s. We're gonna go with 8 millimeter. Let's try it. Got it. So there's one. Ooh, it's gonna be a tight fit too. No extension on that one. Just a shallow socket. All right, so what I'm doing is switching over to just a deep 8 millimeter. Oh, I'm just gonna. Got it. There we go. Yeah, it was pretty close to that. So the shallow socket wouldn't cut it. It needed to be longer. And there's the last screw. Now, first thing you gotta do is get this hose off the bottom, which is right there. Here's a blower motor. And now, to save a couple cents, what they did was, on the newer ones, you have to just pull straight out on them and pull out again. Again, for what these things cost, why doesn't that come with it? Man, I could not tell you. Be careful with it. Careful as you can. Let's get rid of that. Just take the new one, which is seen here. So now with the new one, just slide it up and over, get it on the front of it, and these only go on one way, so you just got to line them up, okay, like so. Just slide it on. If that doesn't match, slide it again, which that matches now. 1, 2, and 3. There you have it. Now it's sealed. Now you just reverse. Get that hose out of the way. Figure out how the thing goes in, which is like this. Perfect. Okay, fit it in there like so. All right. I'm just going to line up one of the screws. Perfect. And I'll do this bottom left-hand corner because it is the easiest. And now that pesky one in the bottom right-hand corner. So when you get those started, this hose goes up and inside this box back here. I'll take you in there closer so you can see it. There's not like anything for it to close. It just goes up inside. There's a hole right here. See, that's it. So I'll get this done and get back to you. A little tip now, when you're doing that, when you're doing the bottom right hand one, the one that's really hard to get to, I say the best thing to do is put the screw into the hole where you're going to put the blower motor as you feed the blower motor in. I had to take out the other screws, pop out the blower motor a little bit, shove that in, and then it all went back together. So that's a little tip. I mean, I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but I did, and that's how I solved it. Okay. There we go. Bottom is lined up now. Okay, I won't fully do that one yet. Alright, it's a pretty smooth job. Not bad. Wasn't the easiest blower motor I've ever done, but it wasn't the worst. I mean, for being a 1993, I figured this thing would be shot. It's actually in pretty decent shape. So there's that one, and then don't forget the one down there. And plug back in this. So that's lined back up, that's lined back up, that's on, that's in there. All right, we're good to go. Now time to go test it. I know I should have tested it before I put all that back in, but sometimes confidence gets the best of you. Perfect. We got levels. I don't know what this is. We'll go, and we'll go heat. Okay, there you have it. See, wasn't so bad. We got through it together. Now you know how to do it. Now you're going to hit that like, subscribe button, buy some merch. If you need some high quality LEDs for this or any other vehicle out there, go down into any video in my channel, go down to the description, use my referral code for a discount, and I'll see you guys next time.